And it's now time for the business day. Sagicor has announced plans to cut banking fees next month. The company is recalculating how it makes money without putting added pressure on customers. TVJ's Andrew Ledley has more in the business review.
As interest rates fall to the lowest they've ever been, commercial banks and other financial entities are going back to the drawing board, devising new ways to keep their business profitable. Sagicor Group CEO Christopher Zaka says his organization is moving to boost profits by focusing on its core business.
We're driving core business, we're selling, we are huge revenue increases in insurance. Kevin is driving fee income through corporate finance deals, through third-party management of third-party funds off balance sheet, through our Sigma funds. Chauvel is pushing her payments platform, etc., etc. One thing we're not doing is increasing our fees at the bank to our poor clientele.
In fact, the bank has pledged to lower its banking fees as early as next month. CEO of Sagicor Bank, Chauvel Johnson, says a comprehensive review of the fees are currently being done.
We know where the pain points are, and we know fees are a pain point. So we have been actively reviewing our fees. I expect that in May there will be a new set of fees that will be out. Right? So it's something that we'll continue to do.
Meanwhile, Mr. Zaka says although the fees aren't being increased, he's still expecting growth in that area.
Fees are growing because we're doing more business, so there's a greater volume of which fees are calculated on. The individual fees are not being utilized as a major source of revenue growth. Her loan portfolio is growing significantly, and her credit card portfolio, both on the acquiring and the issuing side, is also growing.
Sagicor recorded 2018 profits of $14.2 billion, while its revenue went up 1% at $70.6 billion. Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.
Consumers can brace for more bad news. Oil prices have soared past the $65 a barrel mark for the first time since October. Oil for delivery in May settled at $65.70 a barrel after surging by $1.70. The increase comes after the United States declared it would end waivers for countries to import oil from Iran as the Trump administration tries to cut off that country's earnings from fuel. Now, the foreign exchange market was closed in Jamaica today, but when it reopens tomorrow, the US dollar will trade at an average of $134.15. The Canadian dollar will start at $100.97. The pound sterling, $172.84, while the euro will cost $142.41.